What's the best type of furnace to have in your house? Boy, you have more options than ever. So all furnaces sold here in Edmonton, Alberta, they're going to be high efficiency furnaces, but they are not all equal. There are several different models. The first is starting out as a single stage furnace. So that type of furnace comes on at one temperature, one blower speed, and it's going to heat your house great, but it's going to be no more comfortable than that old 20-year-old furnace is. Coming on, coming off, really simple machine. Then you have something called a two-stage furnace. It's one of my favorites in terms of how it works. It's quite simple, but when it comes on to heat your house, it'll come on at a moderate temperature and a much more gentle blower speed. So it's going to keep your house just as warm, but it's going to stay on longer. So that's going to keep the temperature very stable in your house, very, very quiet compared to that single stage unit. In addition, you can get what's called a variable speed, really high efficient ECM motor on that. That is for the blower, which gets all that air through the house. An ECM high efficiency motor, it's a variable speed, that will come in many different speeds where you can adjust them, but it's extremely efficient. And if you're running your fan non-stop to get that air quality you want for the humidity and the filtration, it's a real winner. Above that, the top of the line is called a modulating furnace. Much like the two-stage furnace, it will have that ECM efficient motor, but instead of having two stages, it will have a multitude. So it will come on at 40% and drive up from there. Those are a great furnace as well, quite a lot more expensive. In northern Alberta where we live, with the type of crazy weather we have, I really do think, and we always encourage people, the two-stage variable speed furnace is the best bang for your buck. Huge fan of them. Hope that helps everybody. Kevin from Acclaimed Heating, Cooling, and Furnace Cleaning.